Hi everyone, good evening. This is Maxanza Daisy, once again, a student at Macquarie University, currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in software engineering. I'm going to take you through my term paper for the project, which is automatic diagnosis of respiratory disorders. And this paper compiles each and everything that I've been presenting in my previous videos. And without delaying, let me start off with the presentation. This paper, as you can see, it consists of the abstract about the project, introduction, but since the work is too much, I cannot explain each and everything, but I'll just give a little summary about each heading. For the introduction, I won't say much. As you know, the respiratory system is one of the major components of the human body, with a primary and very important function of gas exchange to supply oxygen to the blood. And once that system is affected, it can lead to death. So I came up with this project to overcome the problem of respiratory diseases. Also in this paper, we have the background of the project, which I discussed earlier in my presentation. The literature review, where my interest is. This consists of supervised and unsupervised learning, machine learning, techniques. And for supervised learning, the machine is provided with a training data set, with the training data from which it trains and learns, and therefore gives out the prediction. So I have two types of supervised learning, which is classification, which is used when the output is categorical, and the regression, which is used when the data is numerical in nature. And some of the algorithms used under this type of technique is, we have the naive Bayes, random forest, logistic regression, k-nearest neighbors, we have linear regression algorithms, to mention but a few. For this project, the model consists of support vector machine and random forest for more complex classification, so as to obtain a high level classification quality. For unsupervised learning, the model is only provided with a training data, but it is not labeled, so the machine cannot give out the prediction. Also have the gaps in the literature, which are some of the here I give some of the limitations to these machine learning techniques. And for supervised learning, the machine cannot handle whole complex tasks in the prediction process. And for supervised machine learning technique, it is difficult to measure accuracy or effectiveness due to lack of corresponding output during the training process. And as a result, the algorithm might be less accurate, as the training data is not labeled, so the algorithm fails to know what the exact output is. I also gave some of the solutions to the problems. As you can see, we also have the methodologies, and under the methodologies, I have the dataset description, where I give some of the factors and features that I considered before selecting this data set. I have the data presentation and exploratory data analysis parts, which consists of the data preparation and exploratory data analysis part. Under the methodology again, I have a model selection and optimization, where I explained the model that I used in this project. I also explained the AI model selection and accountability for the project, as you can see. Results and discussion. In this project, various AI, here I explained various AI performance metrics, which were used for evaluating the performance, for evaluating the performance of the model. And firstly, we have precision, which is used to overcome the limitation of accuracy, and it determines the proportion of positive prediction that was actually correct. We have recall, which is almost the same as precision, but it has some little difference where it aims at calculating the proportion of actual positive that was identified incorrectly. Accuracy, which is the most commonly used metric for evaluating the performance of a classification model. The FI score, which gives the average of both precision and recall, given they are of equal weight. In this paper, I provided a link to my data set that I used. I have also provided the link to my source code to the project. This is my acknowledgement and conclusion. In conclusion, the aim of this project is to detect respiratory abnormalities in the early stages, thus enhancing the effectiveness of decision making, since respiratory failure cannot be reversed, and use machine learning to train models that can automatically learn from the given data and detect these abnormalities. So, since AI holds the key to unlocking a magnificent future, where driven by data, it is therefore concluded that machine learning is a powerful tool for making predictions from data. I've almost come to an end of my presentation. I've provided so many references so I can get in case you want to read more about this project. This paper consists of almost 16 links. 16 references where I can get the data. Thank you for listening to me. Hope you like my videos. Please subscribe and share, comment and share my video.